Hello students, I am Meena Madam. Today we have to continue the very first chapter of economics, that is development. Today we have to study meaning, merits, demerits of average measurement of developmental level of different countries by United Nations Body Mass Index and Sustainable Development. So let us start with an average. An average is a simple number that is used to represent a group of persons. It is obtained by dividing the total of given amounts by the number of amounts in the set. For example, there is a group of 5 students A, B, C, D, E. We have to find out the average economic marks obtained by this group. So first of all, we must know the individual marks of each student, and then we have to total it, and this sum of the economics marks of all these students is to be divided by the number of the students. Then we would get the average economics marks scored by this group. Now suppose A, B, C, D, E. All these students have got 3, 2, 2, 2, 1 marks in economics respectively. Then we have to total all these marks, and the total of these marks is 10. Then this 10 is to be divided by the number of the student, that is the 5, and the average economics marks of this group would be 2. Now we have to see the merits of an average. The first merit of an average is first one is there is no need to keep the note of a large series of data. Second is an average helps to set aside unnecessary series of data. Third is an average is helpful to compare two or more series. Now we have to see the demerits of an average. The very first one is that an average is influenced by the extreme number. Second is it helps. It does not give any idea about the distribution of income. Third, it hides many factors. We know that there are two organizations, that is World Bank and United Nations, that measure the developmental level of different countries and compare the different countries in terms of development. Already we studied about the World Bank. Now let us study about the United Nations. United Nations compares developmental level of different countries under the United Nations Development Program. It uses human development as a criteria to measure developmental level of a country, and that includes per capita life expectancy and literacy rate. So whereas World Bank uses only per capita income for measuring the developmental level of a country, United Nations uses 3 criteria, that is per capita income, life expectancy and literacy rate, and all these three in combined are called human development. United Nations publish a report known as Human Development Index every year, in which the developmental level of every country is measured in terms of per capita income, life expectancy, that also called longevity, and literacy, that is also known as knowledge and education, and every country is given developmental rank. See in your book Human Development Index of 2004 on page number 13, published by United Nations Organization under United Nations Development Program. In this index, India is given 126th position, Sri Lanka 93rd, and Pakistan 134th position in terms of development. Just like the comparison of different countries, we can compare the different states of India in terms of development by using the criterion human development, that includes per capita income, literacy level, and life expectancy. It is found that even the per capita income of Punjab is more than Kerala. Kerala is higher position than Punjab in terms of human development, and its main reason is that Kerala is in higher position in literacy rate and life expectancy than Punjab. You see the table given in your book on page number 10. It does not mean that per capita income is useless. It means income should not be used only for luxurious life but also for education and health, since both are essential for happy and balanced life. Here we have seen that both organizations, that is World Bank and United Nations, have used per capita income as one of criteria for comparing developmental level of different countries. But in fact, there are many factors other than per capita income are important in our life, like family, education, health, friends, etc. Now, next topic which we have to study is body mass index. In fact, body mass index is helpful to measure whether a person is healthy or undernourished. To calculate body mass index of a person, height of the person is to be measured in meters and weight is to be measured in kg, and weight is to be divided by square of height. If this figure is less than 18.5, then the person is considered undernourished. If body mass index is more than 25, it means that person is overweight. But this criterion is used only for adult. Sorry students, sustainable development will be explained in next video. Now you see the exercise of very first chapter, that is the development, and answer the questions of fourth, fifth, sixth, and seventh. I am 100% sure if you listen this video very carefully, you can write all these four questions without any problem. So answer these questions and send to me.